Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Luisa's jewelry. So let's go ahead. Ooh, so first and foremost, their box is made from 100% recycled paper. Environmentally friendly, sustainable thinking, all that good stuff. So here are their bags. Even their bags, are nice, material. Oh, fancy. Let's see what they have. So we got this elegant necklace. That's just a beautiful little circle there, and it's made. It's called Willow. So this particular design. Let's go ahead and see how long it is. Ooh, so the chain in and of itself, as you can see, it's dual chained. One has a cute little, it's like a ball chain, and one is just a normal chain. Clasp looks like that with their little branded design over there. And I like at the very end, it has a little circle. So just in case you wanted to clasp it at the very end, you can do that. You can see it's just really, really elegant. Really gold too, which I like. It's 2-in-1, so it just gives you a little bit more volume, a little more definition. Just a really elegant piece that you can really add to brighten any outfit up. A little accent piece that's like quite subtle, but like will definitely catch your eye. Next, oh, same cute little design over here. Ooh, nice little locket, or just a heart actually. It looks like a locket. I like that it's protected by this to make sure that it's like the moment you try it on, it's like the shiniest it could possibly be. The chain on this one is a lot thicker or different in terms of like the pattern of itself, and it's quite hefty. Definitely got some weight to it. Clasp looks the same as the other one, and it has the same kind of circle at the end too. Elegant yet bold at the same time. I mean, from all angles, you can definitely see, that it's a heart. Even from, afar, definitely catches a glimmer everywhere you turn. So I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer this heart necklace or this circle dual chained necklace? And if you want to purchase any of these, check out the links below. And if you like product reviews, continue watching because I got a lot of those. All right, bye.